Is it tiring work working in the gardens?
Not yet. When it gets really, really hot in the summer,
Hi.
it's getting...
Hi, baby.
I have to get up early and work before noon.
Bless you.
It's 100.
Bless you.
Yeah, and you have to worry about snakes too, don't you?
Not so much, I don't think.
Well, you make rattlesnakes or
Yeah, we do, but with the dog and there's lots of bugs.
Are there people still getting a divorce?
No, I don't think so. Natalia, let's go! Let's go!
Oh, there are also
Come here.
iris? The iris?
The purple ones?
Yeah.
No, I think they're lupus or lupine?
Lupin.
Lupin.
Oh, yeah. Oh, those are beautiful when those bloom. When the wind blows, it almost looks like velvet. When we lived in Los Olivos.
I thought a lot more would be coming up, but
Probably will.
next year. I mean, they keep growing. I would think this would be a good hill for the Easter egg hunt for Sophia's birthday party.
Is that what you're going to do?
Yeah.
Do you still have some of the plastic bags?
No, I don't. Do you have any?
There's a grocery outlet, and they're real cheap. I was just there the other day, and they had Easter stuff. So
Did you fall?
Plus, we have a dollar store in the bottle, which is wonderful. Do you need any party favor kind of things?
I don't really like to give out party favors because they just end up in landfill.
Oh, okay.
But the eggs I can reuse every year.
Yeah,